Today the host Sunny. Welcome to our TEYU S&A water chiller. Our company from 4 parts. From 3 parts is the in 2025 years some exhibition review and our the planning exhibition in the June month. And also we will introduce our company application and our product series. And last part we will introduce our company. The popular models is CW or CW5200 model to everybody. Now, here I want to talk just the first part is the exhibition. In 25 years, we attended several exhibitions. Like in the March month, we attended the TPES exhibition in Guangzhou City, and in the April, we also go to the Laser Ball of Photonics in Shanghai, and in this May, yes, in this May exhibition, we already go to the overseas, attended the overseas exhibition like Expo MAFE, yes, in Brazil. So here we already prepared some video to everybody. You could see that.
Laser equipment overheating and calling it quits. At DPES, purchasers are scrambling to grab this temperature control game changer. TEYU S&A booth is packed with visitors. And for good reason now, water chillers are putting an end to rough edges on acrylic from CO2 laser cutting. Uneven ink curing and UV printing. Precision stability issues in fiber laser market. No more production delays from overheating. No more spending extra on lens and laser tube replacements. And no more deductions from customers due to defects. Miss the exhibition. No worries, contact us now for your exclusive cooling solution.
Yes, that is our DPES exhibition videos, and we are helping the exhibitors to solve their overheating problems by using our machine chillers. And after next, we will show in Shanghai Laser Ball of Photonics. Yes, that is in the April exhibition. Yes. So it is very new, also new video. Yes, you could look. That you can see that is the laser ball of photonics in Shanghai exhibition videos, and from the video we could see that there are many customers in our booth, and to talk about the chiller cooperation in the April. We also launched some new models, just as some exhibitions like the CWFL new models with SGS certification. Yes, and also from the exhibition, through attending some exhibition, also it can increase our TEYU reputation in this industry. Now here just is from this year. exhibitions and DPES Visible of Fitness in Shanghai and also Expo MAFE in May month. Because the time reason, so with time reason, we have not prepared the overseas like the Expo MAFE in Brazil video to everyone. But I think the next, if have the chance, we will prepare in this video to in the May live studio. In the June. Okay. Now the next planning exhibition is going where? Now from here we could see we next in the June month. Yes, we will go to the Germany to attend the exhibition Visible of Fitness. Booth is the hall B3 229. Yes, and the day is the June 24 to 27. Yes, so it is about the 4 days in Germany. So if you are in European, you are in Europe, like the Germany, Poland, and also the France and Spain, and also in the Poland. Yes, you could come if you are convenient. You also come to here to look our chillers. Okay, so that is the next step exhibition. Okay, now we will introduce the next part. Next part, I will introduce our company development and the product series to everybody. If you are the regular customer, maybe you are familiar with our company. Yes, our company is found. Our company TEYU was found in 2002 years. So now it already has 23 years history. Now in these years, we are dedicated to manufacturing the water chillers from stand-alone design to the rack mount design, and also from the high power series to the low power series to the high power series. And also and also expand the CWFL series, and also we have CWUP and also CW series, and also we have the water cool water chillers to everybody. And in this year, our company is more and more develop bigger. From the staff now, we already have the staff about 550. Yes. Persons, and also the production area is up to the 50 square kilometers, and also from the production line, also we are up to the 10 production line to do the water chillers for various applications. So that is our company. So that is our company development from our company development. And also in this year, we are always helping the many countries customers to helping them to solve their overheating problems. Yes. From now, we already up to the 100 countries. So here also, and also in this year, we already have TEYU and brand, and also we have S&A brand. So we created 2 brands to our customer. So in this year, also I think company achievement is about the certification. Yes, now because we in the ULab we have many already almost all products with CE certification, CE roles and reach. And also we in the America we also got some certification like UL. That is some models. Yes, because we all know that the UL certification cost is very higher, but because it's very high, but we want our product to sell overseas countries. So we invest many money in our certification. So we hope that our products can serve our customer mission well. Okay, now from just that is very I think it is very how to say I think now I will prepare the video to everybody. So that is our company development videos.
In 2002, TEYU S&A unveiled its first industrial refrigeration system. For over 20 years, we have remained dedicated to the industrial refrigeration sector, continually pushing boundaries. From focused expertise to industry leadership, we have integrated R&D, production, sales, and service into a highly efficient system, driving value growth. We adhere to fully independent R&D throughout the entire process and hold multiple intellectual property rights on core technologies. With ultra-precise temperature control systems, intelligent convenience, computer communication compatibility, and stable cooling performance, TEYU S&A leads innovative applications of industrial refrigeration technology within the laser processing industry. We are a leading manufacturer, producing industry-leading products. We have 3 major production bases in Guangdong, China, along with 2 branch offices in Suzhou and Jinan. We operate 6 automated production lines integrated with MES systems, supported by over 30 locally advanced manufacturing and testing devices. Our rigorous process control and highly refined management ensure reliable products in every efficient operation. From tangible quality to intangible values, TEYU S&A's 4 product lines consistently deliver innovative cooling solutions to industries such as new energy vehicles, energy storage, and photovoltaics, aerospace, and more. Our products are available in over 100 countries and regions worldwide. Focus, innovative, trustworthy, and leading. We continue to forge ahead with dedication, focusing on the core principles of high efficiency, sustainability, and precision. We continuously drive innovation in industrial cooling solutions, contributing to the high-quality growth of China's manufacturing sector. TEYU S&A is committed to becoming the global leader in industrial refrigeration equipment. TEYU S&A, your reliable partner.
Yes, after watching our video, maybe believe that many customers will know our company more. So now we will introduce our company, our product, application, and service to everyone. So I think here it is our company development. And yes, it already just is the brief introduction we have to establish in 2002 years. And also our product has industrial water chillers and fabricated water chillers, and also have the precision, ultra precision water chillers. And already we have the two brands, TEYU and S&A are our company brands. And the factory area is the 50 square kilometers. And already have the employees is the 550. And that is our company pictures. We could see that is have some the brand. That is our one building, two building. And here I think now it is expanded. Yes, so we already have about six or seven buildings. Yes, to produce our water chillers, and also have some storage to put our machine. Yes, to put in. Now the main market, our main market is we have the America, and also have the Mexico, Italy, and the European country like the Poland, Germany, and also the Southeast countries is like the Korea, Philippines, and yes, and so on. So we already helping the over 100 countries to solve their overheating problems. Yes. So everyone, if you are interested in the water chillers, you also could leave your message in the live studio. We will reply you as soon as possible. Okay. Now we will introduce the certification. Not certification is our company. Yes, it's the water chillers application. So I think many customer will ask what machine you use the chiller to cook. To be honest, the water chillers application is very wide. For example, the common industry like the laboratory equipment. Yes, and the printing machine, also the welding machine and the laser machine, and also have some medical equipment like MR and SY. This equipment all need the water chillers to cool their machines. Also, we have the different types of furnace. Yes, they also need our machines to cool their temperature. So that is the application for the chillers, it is very wide. And I think now the most popular industry is the laser machine, because we know that we can see the cut sheet metal. It is very safe. Sorry. It is very fast, safe, and high efficiency. Or some mass on your electronics. So it is engraved, but it is all like the nice button in our jean. Yes, it is engraved by the laser machine. So we could see here, it is I just did some examples. Okay. Here I wanted to mention the laser machine. Why laser machine is always working with our chillers? First, the laser machine is generally used for cutting, engraving, drilling, or cutting or the drilling in the soft materials or the hard materials. So it is when the laser is working, the laser beam will produce the extended heat in a small area. So their temperature is very higher. So if we don't keep it cool, yes, so the laser machine will not working. So our chillers is to help the laser beam or the laser machine to cool down the temperature. So that is our laser. Why the laser always need the water chillers. Here also I want to introduce to everyone is our water chillers working circuit. We could see here the water chillers. First, some of the key parts is compressor, refrigerant, capillary, fans, pump, and evaporator. I think they are important. They are important to make that of chillers. So our chillers is to compress the refrigerant through the compressor and coming to the and then to come to the fan to dissipate the heat, and also going to the condenser and also that is the condenser and the fan is to dissipate the heat, and also to the coming to the pumps and evaporator, that is to exchange the refrigerant and already to and finally to lower down the temperature. So if you want to know more details for the chillers working circuit, you also could leave your message. Okay, so that is very simple working circuit to everyone. Now, because our company is manufacturing the water chillers for 23 years. So we have what series we have CW. We have CW, UP, UL, and CWFL and CW series for water chillers. I think here I just to talk about the wholesaler series is the CW water chillers. CW means is the industrial water chillers. So their application is we have the CO2 laser machine. We already have CO2 glass tube, CO2 RF laser, and already have the spindle and the laboratory equipment, and also have some so that is we also have some the printing machine. Yes, so The series is very wide, and now here it is. We could see the wide application, and from this model, from this series, we offer about it. We offer from about the 1 kilowatt to the 40 kilowatt cooling capacity. So here is the CW3000 model to the CW8000 model. So how do you want to? It already have the 14 water chillers to be selected. So you could according to your needs to choose the right chiller. If you don't know how to choose the right chillers, you could leave your message to us also. Okay, we are willing to provide good chillers for you. We could see here, and here I want to mention that from here is CW3000 model. It is very special from another model because CW3000 model, it is the passive cooling type. So what is the meaning? Because this model is without refrigerant and already also is not have the compressor. So it is the passive cooling just is to rely on the fans to dissipate the heat. So it is very special and also cannot to control the temperature. So if you need to set down your water temperature, you could to consider another models. Yes. So that is the difference, this model, CW3000 model. Now here we generally to talk about the hostile model, CW5200 model. This model. This model we could see that is the temperature precision is up to the minus or the plus or minus 0.3 degree. Already the mass pump flow is the 10 to 15 liter per minute because some customers pay more attention to this. Already have the refrigerant. The pressure, and this model cooling capacity is the 0.75 kilowatt. So from this model, that is the 5200 model. This is the cooling capacity is the 1.43 kilowatt. So it is very it is very suitable for the spindle with 12 kilowatt and the CO2 laser. CO2 laser is the 130 to the 150 watt. From here, this model is the hostile model, and because this model we could divide it for four models. For example, is the THTY. THTY means is the AC1 phase, 220 wattage, and also the 50 hertz or 60 hertz. And also we already have the DHTY. DHTY means that is the AC one phase is the 110 wattage. Yes. And the 50 hertz. And already we also have the TITY. So they express, how to say it is the different meaning for the wattage and the frequency. So now today we will talk about the CW5200 model THTY, because this model is very, because the size is not bigger and the weight is very light. So for the freight, it is very favorable in the international shipping. Yes. So here is the 1.43 kilowatt cooling capacity, and it is very suitable for the spindle with 12 kilowatt, and also have the, and how to say, it is the CO2 laser is the 130 watt and the 180 watt. And here is the AC one phase 220 wattage, 240 wattage, 50 hertz and the 60 hertz. So it is very, very convenient, because before we just is the AHTY, that is the cannot be compatible for the 50 hertz to the 60 hertz. And that is the 1.2 bar mass pound pressure, and the refrigerant is the R134A gas. So that is the CW5200 model basic introduction. And okay, now we will introduce the next. Next is our to talk about the surface. Okay. From here, this is the surface. From the front panel, we could see that that is the water. That can set down the temperature. Just is the water temperature for here. That is the panel, and here is the on-off switch, and here it is the two industrial chillers. That means it's the what series, and this is the model name. Yes, that is the company logos. TEYU. And from another side, we could see that is the filter that can be detachable. So it is very easily to clean. Yes. And already it could to prevent some big matters. Yes. And the top side we can see they are the handles, two handles, because this model is without, because this model not bigger, so we haven't caster to move. If you want the caster, you can consider another model like the CW6000 model. Okay. This, and also there is the. This model is the water inlet on the top, and from another panel, we can see that is the inlet and outlet to connect the tubing and or connecting your machines. That is the alarming too. Yes, here also have the water indicator. There are different minis, yellow, green, red. When it occurs the red color, you need to realize that the water is shortage. So you need to add some water in our machine. Here is the medium. Medium is the yes. Medium also is okay. Just is the green color. And if the full color occur the yellow color, so you need to realize that is the full. So cannot be more. Here is our the two fans. Fans functions is to dissipate the heat to keep the cooling efficiency is guaranteed. Yes. Here is the drain is to, yes. here is the SM number. Here is the rating labels to show the model name, some of the details, and already some of the certification. Here, I think it is very important for this part, the next part, because the next part, for our chillers, we need to talk about it, is here. From this model, the cooling capacity is 1.43, right? We could see here about it is up to when the water temperature is 30 degree, and the ambient temperature is 20 degree. So it is up to the 1.43. But you can see that as the ambient temperature is going down, is rising. Rising. You can see the cooling capacity will be affected. So it is the cooling capacity. It is decreased. Yes, decreased. So from here we can take some example. The temperature, for example, when the ambient temperature is 20 degree and the water temperature is 28 degree. So we could see here is the 1.4. Yes, right. But if your ambient temperature is going the 40 degree, so we can see the cooling capacity is 1.3 kilowatt. So it is so we can see that here also it is so the cooling capacity will be affected ambient temperature, and also it could already also another factor. It is the water temperature. So we could see here from the 30 degree, and the ambient temperature is 20 degree, okay? So we could see from the water temperature is 30 degree. It's 30 degree coming to the 20 degree. So the cooling capacity value, it is decreased. So before recommending the right chiller to the customer, we will ask our customer what is your ambient temperature and what is your ambient temperature and your water temperature of chillers. So because we hope that our customers choose the right chillers for their machine, for fitting their machine. So here I need to. So if you tell me your target target water temperature is 22 degrees, but your cooling capacity, your requirement for cooling capacity is about 1.6 kilowatt. This model, it is suitable. We can see here, it is the 22 degree, and here our mass cooling capacity is the 1.2. So it is insufficient for your machine. So we will recommend the big models to you. But if your requirement
about you just need 0.08 kilowatt, and your target water temperature is 22 degrees. So is it suitable, this model? Yes, we could see this line. It is suitable because the very low, the ambient temperature 40 degrees, it is up to the 1.1. So it is enough for your requirement 0.8 kilowatt. Yes, that is cooling capacity, the cooling capacity chart. Here already, because we already going to talk about for this machine temperature range and the ambient temperature range. Sorry, I need to drink some water. From this model, we can see from our chillers, we need to talk about that. Our chillers is generally, our water chillers generally is the for the target water temperature. We can see the target water temperature of the chillers is the 5 degrees to the 35 degrees. So, but whether it can reach your target, it can cooling down your target temperature, your target water temperature. It is depending on your heat of your machine. So we can see, so if your water temperature is, for example, is the minus 5 degrees, it is not enough. It's not allowed because the water temperature is 5 degrees. That is the mini. So it is the mini temperature is the 5 degrees. Okay, talk about the ambient temperature for our chiller. It is the less 45 degrees, because in the Middle East, the ambient temperature is very hot, right? So it is the less than 45 degrees. So if your machine, your country's ambient temperature is often in the 50 degrees. So it is not allowed because it will damage the chiller's compressors and also some of the component parts.
Okay. So that is the CW5200 model. From this model, maybe many people will ask this model certification, okay? Sorry. So from this model, we have already got the CW5200 model T1. It's the CE rules rich certification. So it can be used in the European countries. So, but if you want another machine, you need another machine, you could leave your message to us. We will follow you. We will, according to your needs, to consider the purpose, okay? If your order is very big, just it's okay to do some new certification. But I think the specific solution will be provided when we got many details from yours. That is from this model CE rules rich. Talk to here. We collect some questions from many customers. They are often that is very often to be asked. We have many customers will ask this question is for the NOQ. Yes, that is one of the most popular questions. Yes, because we have some customer, it is the end of users, so their order is not bigger. It is about one pieces or the two pieces, it's just small quantities. So they will always ask our question is about the MOQ. One pieces is available to be done or to be shipped. Yes, that is okay. So we hope that our customer can use our chillers to work their machines. The second question, let me think about it. The second question is about warranty period. Warranty period, I think, because some customer will compare the market another supplier chillers to compare with our TEYU water chillers. So in the market, I think they will have there is the low price phenomenon. Yes, often. And the price also it is very lower. It is lower than our company, but our company is the manufacturer, and also we have our tools and the molds to do the chillers. So why the customer, why has the low price in the market? I think the warranty period also can reflect. We offer 24 months to the customer, but as we all know, we're doing the long time water chillers, and we all know that some competitors just provide 1 year, just is the 12 months to the customer already, and using some the not good, just is not good materials like the compressors and some the components like the pumps and another fans. Their quality is their quality is not good, so the price also the down. So they just to provide the 1 year to everyone. But our company is to 24 months, just is the 2 years. It is long in the market because we all know some competitors, some supplier cannot provide 2 years, but our company always provide 2 years warranty period to the customer. And we as the manufacturer, we hope that we can provide top high quality water chillers to the users, and also so that is our warranty period. In the finally, I think just is here is our some most popular question for that, and also the certification. Our products is with CE, REACH, ROSE, and some models with UL certification. It's the CE, ROSE. That is the some models certification. So if you need UL certification, you have to need the UL certification. Then you can import your country from. You could tell me your cooling capacity value, and then we recommend some the right chillers to you. Okay, that is okay. Here, so that is the certification for introducing. But here I wanna talk about, because the time has some time. We just to give some the recommendation how to choose, how to select the right chillers. First, you need to we need to know your machines. Application. For example, if your machine is the fiber laser cutting machine, we will suggest you to we will suggest CWFL water chillers because this series is special. It's designed for the fiber laser cutting machine, and also with the higher precision, and it's the also have the dual water way. Yes, one way is for the low water temperature. Another is for the Arctis high temperature. So, but if you are spindle, your machine is the spindle. If your machine is the industrial machines, you could consider CW models. So first is how to choose the right chiller. It is can be considered. You need to consider your before suggesting the customer, we need to know the application. Yes. Second is the cooling capacity. Before we recommend the right chiller to the customer, we need to know the cooling capacity because we are afraid that the customer haven't choose the right chillers, so it will increase their burdens. So we often, before recommending, we will ask the cooling capacity to the customer. So, for example, normally the bigger machine, like the high power machine, they are generally need a large cooling capacity. But the correct ways is to ask cooling capacity of chiller. Three, I think if you don't know before about you don't know, you could contact the rich experience. You could contact the experienced factories to consult and or ask for them help how to choose. Yeah, because I know. Yes, you could contact the TEYU because TEYU is doing the water chillers for 23 years. So and it is the big manufacturers. So they have professional acknowledge. Or also their after sales is very complete. It's very mature. So it.一个有经验的，就是 experienced factory could helping to the or the after sales. As the buyer, we are afraid that when we buy your products, we are afraid that when the problems is happen. So when unfortunately the problems is happen, we are afraid that we cannot contact the sales. But as I told you, we have the full and mature after sales supporting. So if you have any question for them, you just to contact us, sales, and we have the department to solve your question. In the last, we just to mention that we will attend the exhibition Laser Vault of Photonics in Germany. Yes, let me check. In Germany, we will going about a day is the June 24 to the 27. Yes. So it is very coming soon. It is coming soon. So if you want to, you just to boost. $229 day. So that is our booth. Just is to mention that the place is German and the day is June 24 to the 27. The booth is Hall B3229. So if you are interested in our exhibition in the June month, so you could come to the German to visit the booth. We have the sales to receive you. Okay. Due to the time reason, now we have to broadcast. We have to close the broadcasting. See you the next time. And the signing. See you on the Friday. See you. Bye bye.